So yesterday we discussed, right, execution and monitoring tools also we discussed. So while during the monitoring, so we should monitor from the CPU memory network point of view. So what are the things, right? We need to monitor that. So if you do for the any kind of test, we should monitor from the that all things, okay, in controller. So once the execution is completed, yesterday results where I saved. Okay, we'll open the analysis. Okay, see through analysis also how to we can open the. I will show for the analysis. This is the analysis. So just open the analysis. So already yesterday we are executed, right? So that test I'm opening from here. So here you can go to the file and open. So for here we need to where is the our folder where we saved, right? You need to go to that folder. For example, our all files. You can go to the. I think it is saving for the in the C folder. Okay, by default it will save for that location in the C folder. Users and again users and here I think we can created any folder also you can create somewhere and you can put from the all results from there. So like this you can prepare. I think I'm not given any. Yesterday results where we saved anyone will be there. Okay, so we'll do for the now again. Okay, controller. I'm opening for the controller. Okay, so just I'm adding one scenario. So here you can select from the manual. Don't click from the use percentage because we need to go only number wise user, right? Can add this. Okay, so now we can design scenario. For example, 50 users test. Every 10 users will be ramp up with a 0.5 second. Okay, and duration I'm giving for the 0 2 minutes. Okay, and we'll give for the end user also condition same. End user nothing but ramp down 0.5 second. Every 10 users will be ramp up. Total users will be 50 means ramp up how much? Every 10 seconds, every 5 seconds will be 10 users increasing. 50 users, 50 seconds, right? So you can observe here. If you click here, see if this is the 20 and this is the 20. Total will be the execution time will be 2 minutes 40 seconds. So now we can go to the run tab and we need to set from the runtime settings also. Go to the runtime settings. Already I told right yesterday what is what and the pacing you can give from the 2 seconds. Okay, Just I'm giving for the roughly 2 seconds, and here advanced is no need. And we need to give for the this is also to print the timestamp, because maybe you are getting response time high or you are getting any errors, right? We can go to the logs and we need to provide the this time terms, like this time we are getting for this error, you need to provide to the developer. And miscellaneous, okay, you can uncheck this, and you can save this, save. Okay, then go to the test, and so 1 minute. Yeah, now design is completed, right? You can go to the run tab, and just you can start scenario. And here it is asking from the actual results will be storing in this location. You can observe users. If you go now, so we'll go to the folder. See, by default, it will saving from here, like in the C folder. This PC in that C folder. Okay, users, users, and users. And here, okay, after user app data. So we need to go to the app data. Where is the app data? Okay, see user app data local template.
Click on view, some hide
Where?
view. I think in a in top share after view is
In in this I can, okay, share, okay, here, okay, you're asking, okay.
hidden items. Hidden item.
Yeah, app data local, and after that temp, right? So can go to the temp. So here it is storing our results. So this is the paste, a lot of data. It is I'm not seeing this all. Okay, so we'll remove this. Maybe use data will be there. I'm removing now. Maybe these all will be current items. Okay, no worry. So now that is why what we can do means we can click on no first every time. Now you can click on browse, and you can select from the where you want to your results. If you go up also, we can create one folder also. If you go to the in our system, okay, in downloads or anywhere, documents. For example, documents you can create from the like one folder as a, for example, in the new folder. I think we can create there and automatically it will be there. Okay, for example, you can go to the folder and you can click on new. And before only you can create one folder. Okay. Uh, like load runner results file. Results. Okay. Now we can go.
Sir, once you go back and come now.
I think that is good thing actually because just now we are created, right? So it is reflect. Yeah, now you can see, right? Say you can add this. So here it is saving. Here you can give for the your name. So this is the some API testing. I am giving for the API test. Okay, and click on OK. So now your test will be started. You got one error. We'll see why this error. So if you see for the running user graph, so how the users is running, we can see here. So same to yesterday, I told, right? Performance monitor also. We need to start from the servers. So real time, you need to don't go and don't to do this all things. Real time model happen means automatically. Already who is our team will be right. They will automatically they will configure these all things. Just you can execute from the your front end, and now we can start this. Already started we are created, right? So now we'll go to the here and we can observe for the our results in the reports. You can see here, and this is our test. So now you are yesterday this one. Now this is the current one. It's collecting data for 5 minutes. So here also test is going. Okay, if you want monitor here, so you can go to the here and we'll see the processor type, and you can add from the like memory also. You can observe for how many available bits. These all things we can observe. And why all 50 users will be pending status? Mm, so design is 50 users every 10 seconds. So we'll go to the users. Why all users are pending status? The user waiting to be initiated. All 50 users are waiting status. Total 50 users were given. Every 10 users will be 5-second ramp up. So design everything is correct only, right?
Sir, initialize any settings here
No, initialization we are
up to
not.
that.
In the runtime settings, you are asking.
Sorry. Here the start is upside of that. What in blue color is there, no? Upside of that. Downside.
This one, you're
Blue
asking.
color. Above to that.
No, we are not given any delay also here.
Okay.
Initial users just before it runs. You can stop this test. And this is maybe the script is available or not.
Kiran, this is a API testing order,
Yeah.
web service protocol.
Yeah, web service protocol. Okay, we can remove this and we can add one more.
Sir, here file is there, no? There we can select recently opened or recently executed.
Here,
Uh,
yeah. If it is already there, it will get, but already it is, and I think my system is restarted. Maybe it's gone on.
okay.
So now what we can do is just we'll go to the now start user will go and we'll give from the 50 users every 10 users 5 seconds, that's fine, and 2 minutes duration, and here also every 10 users 5 seconds, and now we'll see. So 50 users will be down status, and again we'll start, and again I'm clicking S. Yeah, now users will be pending to run status. The transactions also started, and there is no failures, and you can observe running user also. It is a ramp up is going like this, and transaction response time as of now only in its section login is going. Okay. Okay, then we'll see the it per second. It is going like this, and you can observe CPU memory also during the test. So if you go here, so CPU memory is going like this. Okay. So during the test, you not do anything. Just you should monitor from the graphs, and we are getting any errors, how the test is going, and how the CPU memory utilization going, and these all things you can observe during the test.
Kiran, what is this time L plus time?
Elapsed time,
Duration.
nothing. Yeah, elapsed time, nothing. But our duration, it will start from the 1 second onwards. When you have click on start scenario, it is started from the 1 second, 2 second. Your test duration, it is including from the ramp up, ramp down duration, including total. It is the duration of the test.
5 minutes means 5 minutes. It's count.
No, is actually your test is completed by 240. 2 minutes 40 seconds.
240. Okay.
Okay, so up to that it will calculate from
It's
this.
run.
Yeah, it will run. So just it is when you start, right, it is calculated for the 1 second onwards. 1 second is completed your test, 2
Okay,
seconds
okay.
completed, 3, 1 minute completed. So it will be give for that elapsed time, nothing but it's including for the ramp up, ramp down duration.
Okay.
See, all users will be run state to all users coming from the gradually existing status. And after that, every 10 users will be ramped down. See, you can observe 10 users is down.
Yeah, the duration is 2 minutes, but it's running
Yeah. It's
longer.
2 minutes 40 seconds, right? So it's results correlating, and up to that it is take from the some 20 seconds or 30 seconds will be more also it will take. Okay, that will be no worry. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now is your test is completed, right? Now we'll through go to the analysis. Will open our results. Go to the analysis. Open that analysis. Okay. And here go to the file and open, and we need to go to the documents, and here we have the load runner results. You can see here, and we are given name API testing only.
I think you didn't save. No.
What happened? We'll directly see here. Load runner results and API testing. And here we can see this is the directly also we can open this file. This is the analysis symbol. If you open this directly also load runner analysis file, it is open. Okay. And through this, why it is not open, we'll see. Okay.
Pet store, huh?
Yeah, no, we are given this is only, but okay, here we need to give from the LRF file. Okay, API testing, and here it is not showing that file. Our data will be there. Okay, through direct also we can open. We can no worry. So already we are open right now. It is a results open. You can observe. This is the just now we are executed. Total duration 3 minutes 18 seconds happen. So, but you can observe here only it is executed from the 2 minutes 40 only, but results correlation, this all things it is coming from the 3 minutes 18 seconds. And number of user this, and total throughput is generated, average throughput, and we can see the transaction response time also. Like this is the Pestor application. So we need to concentrate from the average of this. So already I told, right, this action transaction init, and you want no need means, so we need to remove from them. How to we can remove means, go to the filter, and there we have the transaction names. We need to check from the this one. Okay. And user init and end also. Okay. Then you can give it as a not equal to. If you give equal to, only this transaction will is display. If you give not equal, apart from this, it will generate it from the entire report. Now we'll see the only transactions. Yes. So now we can go here. Only we can see the transaction names. We can like as per our convenient, you can do further. This is the way you can sort out. Like for example, first is start from the which transaction, launch, right, login, launch, and this all things, right? So you can observe each and every transaction. You can observe average response time is could be how much? So less than 2 seconds. Your SLA will be 2 seconds. How many times it is executed? 50 times it is executed. and this is the response time you got. So now we'll go to the here, and total, this is the transaction per second. TPS is generated from the 6.53, means per second 6 transactions are doing. So your results, like each and every transaction response time good, then directly we can send this report to the our teammates or client. We can send. How to we can send means, you can go to the reports and you can click on HTML report, and you can save this report. Okay, this is also we can save from the in our load runner. Okay, same folder only I'm saving report, and I've been giving for the date today date. Okay, 14/07/2023. Okay, click on save. So now you can open those results and you can send to the your teammates. Okay, you can come here, and this is the report. If you click this report, it will open. But this report, if you send right, who have the load runner only, they able to open the your report. Another like other persons unable to open this report. Okay, so that is why what is our job means.